What's up, guys? Usually when we're painting, you're supposed to put these in like really hot water and let them sit for a while, so it makes it spray evenly, so it doesn't like come out in chunks, and it's just a nice even coat. But I ain't got time for that shit. So
hell yeah.
Start with the little filler that we're running out of. God damn it!
You're the one that's full, you idiot.
This ain't the filler though. This is god damn.
Stupid ricer. Jesus, at least in the lines. It's like the first coat.
First coat's supposed to look like shit.
This is gonna look like crap. And it smells like crap.
God damn, dude. It smells like shit. Dude, it's not even fucking... This is an old ass fucking can, dude. What happens when you broke his house? Oh, I fucked up.
Shout out to Duplicolor for the shitty paint.
God damn. What, the other one's more full?
No, alright.
Ah, fuck.
Where's primer? This shit's empty. Listen, bro, you got one shot. This is some riced out shit. This looks more ghetto. Look at those wet spots. Holy crap, look at those wet spots.
So let's sit for another 5 minutes and then
Another 5 minutes.
give it a fucking another coat with this gay ass paint.
We'll be back in 5 minutes. This shit ain't working out. Bumper shit don't work. Oh my god. This is the worst paint job. Listen. If you want to buy paint, you buy good shit.
Not shit that's like 5 years old and...
It's like only 6-ish.
Okay.
Fuck this shit. So what am I gonna do when we paint the car?
No, I'm gonna get a fucking spray gun for that shit.
No, we can go legit with that.
Okay.
Too bad I don't know what car it is.
Definitely no one knows.
Maybe a Honda Civic? Something Asian. More like 80s Asian?
Like 89, maybe?
Maybe. It's an SE, right? SE model? Yeah. No, it's not a Nissan Silvia.
Oh.
Just painting my shitty toolbox. Shut the fuck up.
It's so fucking stupid.
Well, today I'm going to teach you how to fuck up on a toolbox, guys. That is the right code. You're going to die of high. Get out of here. Yeah. Yeah. Bro, honestly, I think that this is too much. It's all run down.
I mean,
What do you think?
when you run out of options, you just get to fuck around and just do whatever the fuck you want.
Oh, everybody's at work gonna hate me. What the fuck you overpainted like that? Jesus. Now you put a W on my... Oh god, they're out. Fuck.
Dude, this shit is not... This isn't even fucking spraying.
That shit smells so... Alright, imagine like going to the nail salon with your mom one day and they just want to put all the acetone in your freaking nose. That's how bad this shit smells. It's the worst thing ever.
Old, man.
Oh my god, it smells like someone died in a can and they just gave it to you. I think that's it. It's done.
They're dead.
Fucking shit.
That's all I can do.
Jesus.
It's like a piece of shit. It's okay.
You're a piece of shit.
Fuck you.
And your ginger ass boots.
It's okay.
Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and like. Don't forget to check out Tool Vector. They're giving away cool tools. See you later.